did was we got the borax and we poured it into this cup. We were trying to get 15 grams.
I think it's grandma too.
Which...
Yeah, but then I also think it's
and there's 15 grams.
We need to figure it out by ourselves. Yeah.
So the materials you'll be needing to make slime is a beaker, or you can use a bowl, up to your choice, but we decided to use a beaker. Water and 15 grams of borax and glue. So first you're gonna pour the water with the borax. Don't pour all the borax at once yet. And then you're just gonna mix it. And then after that, you're going to pour the glue in. You're gonna pour as much. Just keep going. Stop. You're just gonna keep mixing until it's fully done. Keep mixing it. And so for the borax, the equation is Na2B407 times 10H2O. And the Elmer's glue is CH2CHO2CCH. And the chemical formula for Elmer's glue is also known as polyvinyl acetate. So after you're done with this, so it should start looking like a little bit like this. So now you're gonna get your hands a little dirty. You're gonna basically grab it all. And the way the borax is, if we're not to make it as sticky, that's the reason why we use the borax. You're just gonna keep mixing it. We need more water, so we're gonna put a little bit more water on top. And since it's so sticky, we're gonna add some borax. Not a lot, just a little bit. Stop. And you're just gonna keep rolling it and rolling it, like folding it till it turns into slime. Marcella, pause it. Marcella, pause it.
When the borax solution is added to the glue solution, the borate ions help link the long polymer molecules to each other so they cannot move around as easily. So when all the polymer molecules get hooked together in the right way, the glue solution changes from being very liquidy to a rubbery kind of slime.
So the slime has now, it's not as slimy. You just have to keep folding it to make it more slimy. But this is a type of slime that has been created. So what we did was and if it's not really, if it's still kind of sticky, you can still add a little bit of borax on top of it. And honestly, we realized that the more water you put, the more slimy, like it gets more slimier and stretches out more. So we use conversions because we converted 1 tablespoon into grams. So 1 tablespoon equals 15 grams.
And we use the periodic table to find the elements that were in the materials that we used. we used the bonding of carbon and hydrogen to find the polymer
In the glue that was reused.
and the borax.
Yeah. So that was our experiment, and yeah, have a nice day.